Hi cloud people, I hope you all are doing amazing. And in this video, I'm gonna talk about a very important question that a lot of people, mostly beginners, ask is that how to get into cloud? Like, what is cloud? What is this all hype about? So, many people don't know where to get started in cloud, what to learn, where to learn from, and how they can find resources. So, in this video, I'll share a very brief and a short this will be a very short video, and in this video I'll share a very brief thing about how you as a beginner can start and learn about cloud. So the market is currently very much consumed by Azure, AWS, and Google Cloud. There are other cloud providers as well, that is Salesforce, Oracle, IBM, and others that you can search on Google. But if you want to get started and if you want to build a career in cloud as a beginner, you should focus on the top three major providers, that is Azure, AWS, and GCP. You can choose whatever you want, anyone in these three you want to learn and get a career and a certificate in. But in this video I'll share all of them, all three of them, but I am mainly focused on AWS as I like it more. So I'll be little biased with AWS, so bear with me. So let's just don't waste time and get into the video. And here I'll share all the three major cloud providers, official documentation and official courses that you can opt for free and learn. Now, the first major question, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing, you should know. So directly getting into the cloud service provider, directly getting into any certification path or any path, like choosing a specialization if you want to go get in security, networking, or development, you should first know what is cloud computing. So I would really recommend get a short video of 1 hour, 1.5 hour, like that's also too much. So get a basic understanding of what is cloud computing, how is it different with infrastructure. Like, note down these questions: what is cloud computing, how it is different with infrastructure, like the on-premises infrastructure, how can a company or a person be benefit when using a cloud. Okay, what are the services that we can use in cloud? Offers a lot of things that will blow your mind really, and you will be really interested in learning them. So first I'll just move to AWS without wasting time. AWS is currently the biggest market shareholder of cloud, and then Azure, then Google Cloud provider. But if you are a beginner, I'll recommend you to go for Azure or AWS because it has a certain proper path, I would say. Google Cloud is also very good if you want to choose it, but I'll share all of them, all the resources, so you can learn it. So for AWS, there is called a skill builder website. If you go on Google and just search skill builder, okay, you'll go on Google and search skill builder AWS, you'll be prompted to this site, and when you'll log in, you'll get a desktop like this. So what you can do here is you can just go here and search for foundation courses. So for AWS, the foundation courses, AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. Now, what is Certified Cloud Practitioner? It is no expertise level, not an intermediate level cert. It is just a very beginner level cert, which tells you what services AWS provide, what is cloud computing, how you can benefit it. So if you are lacking a little knowledge about cloud computing, getting a foundational level cert, I'm not asking you to give the exam, pay for the money and get the cert. I'm just asking you to do the course, just asking you to do learn about the particular course and just not get the certificate if you can't afford it. In AWS Cloud Certified Professional Practitioner, you'll learn about all the services that AWS provide. You'll know how AWS works, and then you can move upwards. So this video will be beginner friendly only, so I won't tell you the other certifications or the other paths that you can go higher. I'll definitely make a video on that, but for this I'll really recommend you to come here on AWS Skill Builder website, search for the cloud practitioner one. You can just search here and you'll get it. So you'll just do here, okay, and you'll get the course. Now for Microsoft offers various variety of courses. All of the three, Azure, AWS, and Google, has like 10-20 certifications according to your need, according to your specialization. So but all of them has a fundamental course, foundational course. And for Microsoft, it is AZ900. AZ900 is Azure 900 Foundational. So what it does is it will do the same thing as AWS CCP does for AWS. do for AWS. So in Microsoft AZ 900, you'll get to know about all the services that AZ provide, Azure provides, all the things that Azure do for you, what the benefits of this over on-premise on-premise infrastructure. So you can just come here, you can just go on Google and search learn Microsoft, and you'll be prompted to this. Again, you have to just sign in, and it is all free. You don't have to put a credit card, you don't have to put anything to come here and log in here. So you just have to normal log in, sign up here, and come here. Now you can see here, you'll see a lot of courses, and you can learn any of them for free, honestly for free. So Microsoft Azure fundamentals, as I've already learned it, and you can see, you just click here and learning path, you'll be prompted to a page like this, and when you'll scroll, you'll see there are modules to it. And when you'll click on start, so I have not purchased anything, I don't have any subscription, I don't have anything, I am just using the free account they offer. And you can see there, they literally provide all the documentations, all the official resource for you to learn. So it is all free, you don't have to go anywhere, spend money, you just have to spend your time and hard work. So these are the things that you can learn. Now moving on to the third one and the last one for this series, it is Google Cloud. Go on Google again, search Cloud Skill Boost. Although I'll provide all the links in the description, don't worry about it, you don't have to even Google it, I'll provide all the links in the description. So what you have to do is just go on the Google Cloud Skill Boost, and there you'll be provided with paths, explore, subscription. So it is also free, I guess. Yeah, so you'll click on this, like any course, it will ask you to log in, and you'll just log in and start learning. So it has 8 activities, and it is managed by Google only. And when you'll click on start learning path, it is totally all free, you don't have to pay. I am saying it again and again, because it is not because I have seen many people, they are like, if it is not costing money, then it is not worth it. It is not like that. They are provided by the official vendor, the Google is providing it, the Microsoft is providing it, the AWS is providing it. The courses are definitely worth it, and you can literally pass the certifications they offer. And you can see here, all things are free. They even offer you labs to do, they even offer you quizzes to do. So what better way to learn than hands-on quizzes, labs? So you can do all these things. Maybe some of them will be paid, of course, but you can skip them. Like, there are so many things that you can do. So we have covered all three of them. Now I know these all three things, especially AWS one, it is for a cloud practitioner, it is all text based. For Microsoft one, the Azure 91, it is all text based on the official site. For Google one, they provide the YouTube links, they provide the video lectures. And I know many of my followers, or many of the people that will be wondering or wanting to do cloud, they want the video lectures. So the best resource in this entire world is YouTube. You will get anything and everything on YouTube, just search for it. So if I want to do AWS cloud practitioner and I want the video lectures for it, what I'll do is I'll just go to YouTube, search for AWS certified cloud practitioner, and I'll get to it. Okay, so you just have to do is go to YouTube, search for any course you want, search for anything you need, and I'm damn sure you'll get it. Because no matter how costly it is, even if you don't get a very high quality or any high quality content around it, you'll still get something to learn. And there is nothing better than doing it. So as you can see, free code camp, the one of the best free resources you can get on YouTube is free code camp. They provide literally everything. So they have a 14-hour course on cloud practitioner, the latest one, and it is recently updated like 4 months ago. So you can opt for it, you can come here, write anything, and you'll get it. Like Azure 900, you can do search and get the resources. And if you still are not satisfied with this video, or still don't know where to start, where you are lagging, and what should do to get into cloud, you can definitely check it out, the description, and connect with me on LinkedIn or Discord, anywhere you want, and I can reply to you, I can guide you a little, which is in my range area or the knowledge that I have. And please, if you like the video, don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe. Thank you. And